In this video, I will show you how to change your App Store country to Australia. Changing your App Store country can help you access different apps, games, and content that may not be available in your current region. It's a simple process, and I will guide you step by step. First things first, locate and open the Apple App Store on your device. Now that you're in the App Store, tap on your profile icon, located at the top right corner of the screen. After tapping on your profile icon, you'll see a menu appear. At the top of this menu, tap on your name. This action will take you deeper into your account settings where all important options are available. Next up, look for an option labeled Country/Region. Tap on that option to continue with changing your store location. Now, tap on Change Country or Region. This will bring up a list of countries available for selection. Scroll through this list until you find Australia. Once you've located Australia in the list, simply tap and select it. After selecting Australia, you'll need to agree to Apple's terms and conditions. If desired, take a moment here to read through them before proceeding. It's always good practice to know what you're agreeing to. Now comes an important step, adding a payment method. You have several options here: add a credit or debit card, link PayPal, or if you prefer not to enter one at this time, simply select none. Selecting none allows users without immediate payment methods access while still completing their setup. Next up is entering personal information if it's not already filled out from previous settings. Start by inputting your name in the required field. Then move forward by carefully filling out each part of your billing address, street, enter your street name. Postcode, provide an accurate postcode. City, input your city. State. Lastly, enter a valid phone number. Make sure all these fields are correctly completed as they are necessary for setting up an Australian account properly. Once all these fields are filled out accurately, tap Next at the top right corner of the screen. This finalizes changing your App Store country. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your App Store country to Australia. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.